Welcome to our science exhibition. My name is Zoya Begum. I am studying in 4th class. She is Razia Sultan, first woman ruler of medieval India. Razia Sultan was the first woman ruler during the Sultanate period in India. She ruled slogan the first and only female ruler of Delhi. Razia Sultan, thank you.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు ఫర్హీన్ బేగం. నేను 9వ తరగతిలో చదువుతున్నాను. ఈ రోజు నేను చెప్పబోయేది రైతుల జీవితం గురించి. రైతులు అంటే పంటలు పండించి పశువులను పెంచి మనకు ఆహారం అందించే వ్యక్తి రైతులు. రైతులు ఉదయం నుంచి సాయంత్రం వరకు మనకు పొలాల్లో కష్టపడి పని చేస్తారు. మనకు బియ్యం, గోధుమలు, కూరగాయలు, పండ్లు, పాలు వంటి పదార్థాలు రైతుల వల్లే లభిస్తాయి. అందుకే రైతులను దేశానికి వెన్నెముకగా లభిస్తారు.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Nisa Fatima. I am studying in 10th standard. Today, we are discussing about globalization. Globalization is the process of rapid integration or interconnected between the countries. MNCs are also playing a major role in the globalization process. Globalization has also helped to discover the world into modern world with the help of modern technology. Globalization created new job opportunities throughout the world. Globalization has benefited the consumer, but the producer are not benefited uniformly. Thank you so much.
My name is Mohammad Zain. My partner name is Sheikh Zoeb Pasha. We are studying in 6th class. My model is series connection of the bulb and glow to connect the battery and glow to LEDs. Thank you. This is a smart blind stick.
जो नहीं देख सकते
जो
हो,
नहीं
बोल सकते हो, वाइब्रेट होता है। वाइब्रेट हुआ तो उनको मालूम होता है कुछ सामने ऑब्जेक्ट है, जैसे कि
Morning. Good morning, myself Asasula. Today I am explaining about light sensor. In my village, the grandparents and children is facing problem going to the washroom at night due to the lack of lighting, proper lighting. People feel fear and there is a risk of accidents.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, माय नेम इज सिद्धा फातिमा। आई एम स्टडिंग एट स्टैंडर्ड। जब बुजुर्ग लोग होते हैं, उन लोगों की रोशनी कमज़ोर होती है, उन लोग को जाने में दिक्कत होती है, और इसलिए हम लोग ने लाइट सेंसर बनाया है जो डर भी नहीं लगेगा और रिस्क भी नहीं होगा। और इलेक्ट्रिक के पोल्स रहते हैं ना, वहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क होते हैं, थोड़ी ब्लास्ट रहते हैं, थोड़ी चलते नहीं, इसलिए हम लोग ने ऐसा बनाया। ट्राइबल पीपल होते हैं ना, वहाँ तक अटैच नहीं कर पा सकते वायर, तो इसलिए हम लोग ने ऐसा बनाया है और ट्राइबल पीपल को भी आसानी होगी।
Good morning, myself Kekesha Begum from school ME Ideal High School from 10th standard. I would like to explain new cells in onion peel. We have to take a slide and put the onion and the drop of water and the drop of glycerin and the drop of glycerin. Then cover it with the cover slip and we can observe it under the microscope.
Hello everyone, welcome to Science Expo. Myself Marin Begum. I am studying in 10th B. Now today I am going to activity to associated casein of milk protein. Associated milk protein from different brands. Material required: stand, beaker and spatula. Chemical used: milk, acetic acid, ether or ethanol. Uh, Procedure: take a 10 ml of milk with a beaker and 10 ml of water. 10 ml of water. Heat the milk up to 40 Celsius degree. Now add add vinegar, few drops. Now continue. She is separating the protein. Separate the residue by filter it. आप ये करो. Now I am filtering. Dry the precipitate. Wash the residue with a mixture of ether and ethanol. Uh, After washing, wet out the isolated result. Is the result? Result का तो बोल देना मेरे. Now this is fat. This is protein. After this, we know that Amul milk has more protein, and this milk has good for our health. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good morning all of you dear ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the science exhibition of MA Ideal High School. I am representative Hiba from 8th standard. Now I am going to show the representation of journey to the space. The beginning of space race. यहाँ से शुरुआत होती है स्पेस रेस की. In 1957, USSR launched their first artificial satellite. USSR first अपनी satellite artificial satellite launch करे Sputnik 1. This result into global shock and ended up in scientific competition. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, dear ladies and gentlemen. Myself, Soha Begum, I am from 8th standard. The first human in space. Do you know who is the first human in space? He is the first human in space. His name Yuri Gagarin. In 1961, he going in the earth and मालूम करे कि ये क्या क्या है अर्थ में और क्रियोसिटी ग्रेविटी है या नहीं है. उसके बाद हमें सब मालूम हुआ और उसके बाद सब हमें मालूम होकर फिर हमारे तक ये सब आया और उसके बाद रॉकेट्स लॉन्च हुए. सैटेलाइट्स क्या है वो मालूम हुआ हमें. एवरीथिंग जो हमें नहीं मालूम था सब मालूम हुआ. इसीलिए आज ये सब अब हम देख रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
3, 2, 1. We man ignition.
Good morning everyone. Myself Arya Fatima. She is Abdul Karim. She is Rabia Nath. This is our model of gas leakage alarm. The gas leakage alarm detects dangerous gas like LPG gas in the air. It uses a gas sensor that watch air continuously. When the gas level become high, the alarm sounds and the lights turns to warn people. The alarm helps people to act quickly and stay safe. If the alarm sounds, do these safety steps. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Aisha Siddiqa.
I am Swana Afshin from 9th standard.
Today we are explaining about different types of pollution. Pollution is a very big problem for us. It is very dangerous for us. Mainly pollution caused from human activities is harm our environment.
There are several types of pollution: air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Air pollution, when harmful gases, smoke or dust enter the air and make it dirty. It mainly usually comes from vehicles, factories, and burning of garbage.
Water pollution, when toxic and dirty substances like chemicals, water, bottles make it dirty and unsafe for fishes and farming, etc. Thank you.
School for Science Exhibition. My name is Farhan Nisa. I am studying in 5th class. We are explaining about measurement. Watch, a clock has number 1 to 12 written on it. It also has many big ends marking on its face. Contain the big marking for hours and the smallest marking for minutes. Thermometer, we use thermometer to check fever.
Good morning. Today I am going to explain an experiment which is electroplating. Electroplating is a process by which a new layer of copper deposited on the surface of this object like this. The reaction is happens here. For doing this process we need electric current, a beaker, copper sulfate solution, copper plate, connector and a battery and a switch. For after doing experiment we get a layer of copper on the object like this. Thank you.